Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury. The correct answer is Mars. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Oscar Wilde, George Bernard Shaw. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Gobi, Antarctic Desert, Arabian Desert. The correct answer is Antarctic Desert. What is the national flower of Japan? Rose, cherry blossom, lotus, chrysanthemum. The correct answer is cherry blossom. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Which Italian city is famous for its canals? Milan, Florence, Venice, Naples. The correct answer is Venice. The Statue of Liberty was a gift to the United States from which country? France, Spain, Italy, Germany. The correct answer is France. Which ancient wonder of the world was located in Babylon? The Great Pyramid, Hanging Gardens, Statue of Zeus, Temple of Artemis. The correct answer is Hanging Gardens. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, K2, Denali. The correct answer is Mount Everest. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Theresa May, Margaret Thatcher, Indira Gandhi, Golda Meir. The correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. What is the capital city of Canada? Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, Vancouver. The correct answer is Ottawa. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Ag, Au, Pt, Gd. The correct answer is Au. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Aztec, Maya, Inca, Olmec. The correct answer is Inca.